Hi, come on in. Hi, I'm So, and I want to welcome all the drone and quadcopter enthusiasts out there. Today, I want to show you what I carry every day. If you had your choice, what would you pick? This, which I carried every day because the only thing I had to carry, or I upgraded to this. So, which would you rather carry? I like this one. A nice little pack made by 511. Shoulder strap. It's about 10 inches tall, 10 inches wide, and about 7 inches deep. And you can pack pretty much everything you'll need to go fly your Mavic Pro. We'll start out with this little compartment right here, which my iPad Mini 4 goes in, but right now it's on the tripod recording this video. So we'll open this up. In this main compartment, have the nice little semi-hard case for my Mavic Pro, and it's a good case. I like it. It's got a little strong odor when you first buy it, but it eventually goes away. This nice little matching case here for the controller. Got a cable inside, plus the joystick protectors on it. They come in handy. A LiPo battery case with 2 extra batteries. That gives you 3 batteries. This pocket here, we have a little wipe for the camera lens. This one here, all my cables and SD cards fit in that little pocket right there. This little pocket right here in the back, I have the nice gimbal guard Sunshade with all my little landing gear extensions, which are very handy to have. And I also carry a set of rubber caps for my motors when I take the props off for extended and on this side here you can put another 2 batteries in here in the LiPo bag. And I have an adapter for a larger iPad and a lanyard, battery charging hub, and the battery charger, 2 sets of props extra, a set of DJI ND filters, which are very nice, car charger for my batteries, and an antenna amplifier, which I like very much. It helps when there's trees, buildings, you know, when you're flying close, it even helps. So I use it quite a bit. Also have an extra lanyard on the side here in case I lose one. This little pouch right here, not drone related, but you never know. I carry a little solar blanket. Hopefully I won't need it, but you might be in a situation where you could spread it out on the ground if you got a really bad place for landing, and you can stretch that out, throw a couple of things on it, use that to land on. In my little tin here, I keep things like duct tape, Band-Aids, Tylenol, antibacterial wipes, and usually have a little tube of super glue in there, but I used it the other day at work, So that's pretty much what I have in my everyday carry. And as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in there. So, and there's room for a few things more. You just have to decide what you want to put in there and how much you want to carry. It's not that heavy. I carry it, like I say, every day. I appreciate you watching my video. Once again, I want to thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, if you did, hit the like button. If you didn't, don't be too critical on your comments. Thank you again for watching. Remember, fly safe, fly smart, fly often. Have a good day. Y'all come back.